Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to feature this night my cat, Berry. So this is how we start a morning.
Alis na dyan. Naliligo na ako. Berry. Berry. Bakit ni? Alis na dyan. Naliligo na ako. May pasok ako. Berry. Berry.
So these are just few clips that I've collected ever since I've got Berry in my apartment. I've decided to adopt BlackBerry last September 1st with the help of Miss Helen Hizumi and Japan Cat Network, an online group or page created for animal welfare. So if you're interested in fostering or adopting one, please visit their Facebook page. Living with Berry made my life so much better and happier here in Japan.
Why, that's you. That's you, baby. That's you. Come here, Berry. Come here. Ayan, siya lang naman yung kasama ko dito sa apartment. Super bored, pero dahil sa kanya, ayan, masaya ang buhay. At puro din ako kami. Aray ko. Ayan. So, maya-maya siguro pag nakatulog na tong makulit na to, ayan, pag nakatulog na yan, yung makulit na yan, ayan, mag-start na ako mag-set up nung aking table para meron akong parang studio style. Start ako mag-vlog and feature some of my makeups and kung ano na pang man. Basta, isa-set up ko yun mamaya pag nakatulog na siya. Di ba, Berry? Okay. Good night, everyone. Kisses from Berry.